guys, so today I'm gonna do a day in the life of a lash tech. I got the kids with me. We're gonna stop and get some food first, then I'm gonna drop them off and get to work. So I have a full day today. I have back-to-back clients, so I'm going to vlog. I forgot to bring my tripod. I'm gonna vlog today. Try to vlog today because I forgot my tripod. Shit. My hair is so fried. Look at my hair. Ooh. But I had to wear it curly today. I did my own lash extensions last night. All right, so this is my second client of the day. Technically, this would be a full set. So this is a classic set. We're gonna go ahead and do that. So here, basically, I'm taping up my client. She's a regular, so I don't have to walk her through the process as much, but I'm basically taping her up. I will cleanse her, prime her, and then I will get started with her full set. I'm just adjusting my light here. I will reposition myself to get a little bit closer. When you're lashing, you want to make sure that your back is pretty much up straight. I'm a pretty short lash tech. I'm 5'2", so I don't have bad back problems. But if you have bad back problems, you want to keep your posture pretty straight. It's a part of ergonomics. You want to make sure that you are in the right position to lash. You see how close my chest is to her head. So I'm not straining my back at all when I'm lashing. This will give you a very comfortable day, especially if you have a lot of clients. I had 4 or 5, I believe, this day. So if you're lashing back-to-back clients, you will get back problems if you're not positioning yourself correctly. So there's a little tip and trick for my up-and-coming lash techs for comfortability while you lash. Also, if you can, you should lash on a stool, because in my personal experience, lashing on a stool is much easier than lashing on a chair. And get one that rolls so you can maneuver yourself around while lashing. I sometimes go to the left side or the right side, and my stool will help me position myself better so that I don't strain my back. So here I'm taking my micro pore wands and I'm cleaning it with 91% asparol alcohol. You need 91% to kill any bacteria, germs off of the lash line. So basically I do this to clean off any oil and debris and makeup residue on the lash line, because if the lashes are dirty or have excess oil, the glue will not adhere to the lashes. So this step is very, very important. So after this step, I go ahead and remove any lashes that need to be removed, that are old, that are dangling for the infill. And then once I'm done doing that, I start to lash my client, and I will show you midway in between lashing what it looks like on one eye and then what the full set looks like at the end. So this is her final look. I use 12, 14, 16, 18 classics and a 0.15 on her. So my aftercare spiel pretty much goes like this. You want to not get your lashes wet for the first 24 hours. You want to cleanse them every single day with an oil-free cleanser. I do give my clients an oil-free cleanser, lash bath made with prolonged wear. I also tell them that you want to brush your lashes every single day and to avoid oily products by the lash line, and do not brush your lashes when they are wet because it could cause shedding. Then I tell them that 2 to 3 lashes shedding per day is very normal and that your lashes will shed with your natural lash cycle. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can text me on the number below on your aftercare card, and on your aftercare card, all of these instructions are also there. So my setup is the same for every client, so I'm just going to skip through that. I'm going to tell you exactly what I did on this client in the next slide. So this client got a natural hybrid set using 10, 11, and 12s in 0.07 and 0.15. This is my daughter Kaylani. She came to the salon with me today. She doesn't start school until the 21st, so here's a small dance break of her. Then we went to the vending machine to get a snack because she's a spoiled little brat, of course. And yeah, that was our little break for today and our little snack, and then we'll get right back to the clients. Okay, so this is my client Melissa, and Melissa has like a ton of freaking lashes, so every single set that I do on her looks super, super full and super dramatic. She likes them wispy and very full, so I like giving her what she wants. On this set, I used 9, 11s, 12s, 14s with 16 spikes. I just used clothes fans for the spikes. So my daughter is so cute, but don't let the cuteness fool you. She is so naughty. She's like a Sour Patch Kid. It is very rough some days trying to lash with a child in the studio, but a girl's gotta do what she's gotta do. This is my last client of the day. She's Jamaican. I love her accents. She gets on the phone and she'll start to speak like Jamaican, or I don't know what it's called. But anyway, she had a light hybrid set, and I will list the links that I used on her right here. And this pretty much is how my day went. I am 100% an entrepreneur. So people that say the lash techs don't make any money, don't believe them. I fully sustain myself, my kids, and my family all off of my income of lashing, training, and lash supplies. And I own an Etsy store. Soon to be YouTube, my next stream of income. All right, I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. See you in my next video.